Hi everyone, and welcome back to Learn English by Sam. Today, we're going to learn English through the inspiring life story of one of the world's greatest football players, Cristiano Ronaldo. His journey from a small island in Portugal to becoming a global sports legend teaches us many valuable lessons about hard work, dedication, and never giving up. So, let's get started. Cristiano Ronaldo is one of the most famous and successful football players in the world. But his journey to the top was not easy. Born on February 5, 1985, on the small island of Madeira, Portugal, Ronaldo grew up in a humble family. His story is one of hard work, dedication, and passion. Ronaldo was the youngest of 4 children. His family did not have much money, and life was simple. From a young age, he loved playing football. He would practice every day, even when the conditions were tough. His mother used to say that he had a fire inside, a strong desire to succeed. At just 12 years old, Ronaldo moved to Lisbon to join one of the biggest football clubs in Portugal, Sporting CP. This was a big step for a young boy from a small island. He had to leave his family and live away from home to follow his dream. Ronaldo's talent quickly became clear. At Sporting CP, he impressed coaches with his speed, skill, and determination. In 2003, at the age of 18, he signed with Manchester United, one of the most famous football clubs in England. This was the start of his international career. At Manchester United, Ronaldo worked hard every day to improve. He faced challenges including injuries and tough competition. But he never gave up. His dedication paid off when he helped the team win many important titles, including the Premier League and the UEFA Champions League. In 2009, Ronaldo made a record-breaking transfer to Real Madrid in Spain. There, he became a global superstar. He scored hundreds of goals and won many awards, including multiple Ballon d'Or trophies, given to the best football player in the world. Ronaldo's work ethic, speed and skill on the field are admired by millions. But beyond football, he is known for his charity work and commitment to helping others. He often donates money to children's hospitals and supports different causes. Despite his fame and wealth, Ronaldo remains humble and focused. He is a father and a role model for many young people. He often shares messages about hard work, discipline, and believing in yourself. Cristiano Ronaldo's life teaches us that success comes from passion, effort, and never giving up, no matter where you start. His journey from a poor island boy to one of the greatest athletes in history is truly inspiring. Now that we've heard Cristiano Ronaldo's amazing story, let's take a closer look at some important words and expressions from the story. These words will help you understand the text better and improve your English skills. Let's check them out. Humble, meaning not rich or famous. Simple and modest. Example, he comes from a humble background but achieved great success. Dedication, meaning hard work and commitment to something. Example, her dedication to learning English helped her improve quickly. Talent, meaning a natural ability to do something well. Example, she has a talent for playing the piano. Fire inside, meaning a strong passion or motivation. Example, he has a fire inside that pushes him to keep going. Transfer, meaning moving from one team or place to another in sports. Example, the player made a transfer to a new football club last summer. Work ethic, meaning a belief in the importance of hard work. Example, good work ethic is key to success in any career. Role model, meaning someone who others admire and want to imitate. Example, She is a role model for young athletes. Inspiring, meaning making someone feel motivated or encouraged. Example, his story is inspiring to many people around the world. That's all for today's episode about Cristiano Ronaldo's life. I hope you found his story inspiring and learned some useful English words and expressions. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss the next one. Thanks for listening, and see you next time.